In the Warwick suite we have an electric power shower. It's located just next to the bed. What you'll find here is if you see on the shower that the red light isn't on underneath, such as here, then it has been switched off from the wall on the outside, which I'm going to show you how to find. So this is located just above the bed. There is this switch. You need to make sure that this is on. The red light will come on, and then when it is on, you'll see that the red light on the shower is on. So to operate the shower, you push these buttons. So this is for medium power, and then for high power, you've got this button on the right signified by 3 lines. To activate more cold water, you turn it counterclockwise. To activate a hotter shower, you turn it clockwise. To turn off the shower, you push the power button at the bottom. The shower head in itself can be moved to adjust the height. So you push on this top button here, you push that down, and then you can push it down or push it up. And then you can change the angle of the shower head by just gently pulling or pushing on the shower head. That's how to use the power shower.